Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today we're gonna be looking again at my 2000 Toyota Corolla. It appears that I have a misfire. I already have replaced the injectors. I checked the ignition coils already and they appear to be working. I changed the fuel pump, and still I even changed the throttle body, and still the car has it hesitates when you drive, and it has a misfire. But this morning we're gonna take a look at how this spark plug is inside. So here are the tools that we're gonna be using. Nice car passing by. I need a 8mm socket for this bolt, and this is a 10mm bolt. So first, let me go ahead and disconnect the coil. Now let me disconnect let me unbolt the bolt, and we're gonna be taking a look at this spark plug that I recently changed 4 weeks ago, I'll say, from AutoZone. And today I went and bought again another set of 4 spark plugs. So let's take a look at the spark plug. Let me get this out of the way. Let's see. Let me just go ahead and remove this bolt. Since I'm gonna be replacing all 4 spark plugs again, might as well lose this bolt. Just disconnect. So I disconnected this coil as well. Now let me remove this. Get it out of the way. Come on. Here's the first coil. Just remove this one. I don't know what's going on over here. Okay. Well, I can leave it like that for now. Now, let's remove the spark plug. And for that, I'm using this extension bar with a 5/8 deep socket. The moment has come. Make sure you grab it firm, nice and straight. And you go that way. Get it loose. Now that the spark plug is loose, you can pretty much get it loose by hand. And here it is, guys. Here's the spark plug. Let's take a look at it. And look at what's going on, guys. It shouldn't do that. And this is this brand, and it's only like 5 weeks old compared to the new one. There's the police acting like heroes, like they serve the community. See that, guys? So hopefully this is what causing me the misfire. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and do the same process for the other 3 spark plugs. I'm gonna remove them. I'm gonna replace it. Oh, elote, tamales. I'm gonna replace them with the new ones, and then we're gonna come in and turn on the car. Alright people, let's see. Time to turn the 2000 Corolla on. So let's see what happens. And so it appears that it turns on really good. So now it's just a matter of test driving the car to see how it feels, and hopefully it won't hesitate on us while accelerating. Okay. And in a moment I'll show you guys how the 4 spark plugs came out. So stay tuned. Okay, so the spark plugs are out, and let's take a look. Notice that part, how it comes out. See that? It looks like they came out loose from here. They got loose. And these, like I said before, these spark plugs, I replaced them like 3 months ago. This one happens to be really, the gap has to be it's really wide. They're not usually like that wide. Here's the other one. This one also happened to be defective. Guys, see that? And here's the other one. So be careful people when you have a misfire. Even though you recently have replaced the spark plugs, but it's always a good idea to double check them in case the misfire continues. Alright, so hopefully you guys learned something from this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share. To UB40 will return.